Inserting photos. Here we're going to show you how to insert a photo into your page. Typically you're going to insert this into an HTML content module. What you always want to remember is any photo that you want to add to your website first has to be uploaded to the website, to the web server. There's another tutorial on how to use the file manager, and let's use that in this case to upload a photo. We're going to add it under the Home tab. Go over here, click Upload File, select a file from your computer, click Upload. Now you can see the dog picture is in the Home folder. This may not be the place you'd normally put it, I'm just putting it here for demonstration purposes. Once the photo is uploaded, and that's one way to go about it, you can upload the photo first. There's also a way that you can upload it on the fly within this interface, which I'll show you as well. But so we have that dog photo. Let's say we want to put the dog photo over here on the right. Now it makes, you would think, well, I'll put the cursor on the right, but no, actually you want to put it on the left, the beginning of the copy, then go under your insert image, go find that dog photo, and you typically want to resize that photo in some sort of a photo editor tool such as Photoshop or GIMP, or there's a lot of free online tools that you can use for editing photos, because you want the dimensions. You don't want to upload a 10 megabyte image at 300 dpi. You just want something small, just the right size. So editing photos is kind of a separate tutorial. There's a lot of stuff on YouTube that you can learn basic web design with photos and how to format them properly for the web. But in this case I just quickly grabbed a photo. I'm going to set some dimensions of it here, and we're going to insert it. No, I did not constrain the proportions here. I shouldn't. Let's see. There we go. So there's the photo, and I want to align it to the right. Now see, by placing the cursor at the front of the paragraph, that allowed us to align the photo right, nice and evenly. So if you go ahead and update that, you'll see the photo is there to the right. Now another way you can add a photo, very similar, but instead of going through the file manager first, you simply determine where you want to put your photo, place your cursor, click the insert image, and in this case go to the browse source, and it'll bring up the file manager here. So then I can go under page headers, and instead of doing the upload on this case, you could also just click and drag the file from your local computer and drop it, and it's going to show up there as well. Then you click on it. You can give it a description. This is a good place for search engine optimization to add keywords and phrases that you want to add. There's also an advanced tab here for styling, a border if you wanted, horizontal space, vertical space. You can just put in some numbers. These will be pixels, pixel amounts if you want. You can see how it's auto-filling in up here. So we've just added that photo. Click update, and there's our dog photo. So pretty easy to add photos. Again, I have to emphasize that you want to edit and manipulate that photo before you bring it into the content management system. So if you need to crop it, if you need to change the resolution, which should be 72 dpi, and the sizing could be, this here is what I say, it was at 300 pixels, maybe at a maximum of 900 pixels would do the full width of the page. So you might need to play with that a little bit and upload and kind of get a feel for what sizes are, especially if you're not familiar with photo manipulation and web design. There's often photos already uploaded into your site, into your file manager for use on other places on the site. You could reuse those. And you can just click on it and delete it. See the typo there. And now the photo is gone. Same with File Manager. We're going to go in here and clean up the dog photo. Right click on it, delete. I think I had it in here as well. So that's the basics. To get a photo into your site, you first need to either upload it or go through the edit function and upload through here. It's the same place. The File Manager shows up in both places. And then once it's uploaded, you can click on the photo, insert it, make changes to it, align it to the left or the right, add spacing, custom styling, that sort of thing. That's it.